Meaning of leapfrog.
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 Leapfrog. Leapfrog can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One meaning of leapfrog is a children's game where players take turns jumping over each other as they crouch down. Another meaning of leapfrog is to make progress by skipping over obstacles or stages. For example, a company might leapfrog its competitors by coming up with an innovative new product. It can also refer to a strategic move, where someone or something jumps ahead of others by taking an unexpected action or initiative. Overall, the term leapfrog refers to making a sudden and significant advance by taking an unconventional or unexpected approach.